Welcome to the QuizBrain Channel. Get ready for 50 brain-boosting questions across geography, history, animals, the human body, and more. Think fast, pick your answer, and keep track of your score. Let's see how sharp your mind really is. Let the quiz begin.
What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa.
Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. What is the longest river in the world? Nile. Which country is known for the Great Wall? China. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which part of the body controls balance? Cerebellum. Who was the first man on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. Which bird is known for mimicking sounds? Parrot. How many legs does a spider have? 8. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? Paris. Which organ filters blood in the human body? Kidney. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which mammal can fly? Bat. What is the boiling point of water? 100 Celsius. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which country has the most pyramids? Sudan. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. How many continents are there? 7. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Everest. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. How many chambers are in the human heart? 4. Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Einstein. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Africa. What do bees produce? Honey. Which blood cells fight infections? White. What is the main gas found in air? Nitrogen. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York. Which planet has rings? Saturn. What color is chlorophyll? Green. Which is the largest land animal? Elephant. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Lizard. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A U. Which vitamin is made in skin from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Which blood type is a universal donor? O-. Which part of the body has the smallest bones? Ear. Who invented the telephone? Bell. What does a thermometer measure? Temperature. Which animal is known to have a pouch? Kangaroo. Great job, Quizmaster! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QuizBrain for more awesome quizzes every week. See you next time.